So every time I go to use the dryer now, it will have fluid in it. Even though it hasn't rained for like 2 weeks or whatever, it will still have fluid in it. And sometimes when I am not doing the laundry and I want to check it, it has fluid in it. So they're really getting busy with the chemical ganging, trying to run us off. They ran off a lot of people and we wouldn't leave. And they don't want anybody in these houses that could have ever collected on the new home warranty to still be here and tell what they're doing. I have plenty of lights and cameras, but the problem is when they go to do things to us, they jam and hack those cameras, and it's the contractors that tried to run us off so we wouldn't use the home warranty on the new home because they're crappily built, and we wouldn't leave. So they chemical gang the air conditioner unit, the dryer vent, the windows and the doors, and I've caught them doing it.